Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete all mails on your Gmail at once. So guys, let me tell you something that there is no way to delete all mails on your Gmail at once. But you can do one thing, and that is just go to your Gmail account. Now select any mails and press on it. And now just press on the other mails and select. And after selecting, just tap on the delete option. So guys, as you can see that mails is deleted, and in this way you can delete all mails on your Gmail at once very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.